What's up, guys? If your golf cart has a bad squeaking problem and you can tell it's coming from, the upper canopy area, there's a couple things you can check. One, to make sure that it's not loose. So check any fasteners, up around the top here. But also look in between the frame and the top itself. Some carts do not come with, if it'll focus, they don't come with any kind of insulation, or foam tape or D insulation like you can get at Home Depot. It's called D tape, and it's in the shape of a D, and it's got little adhesive on one side. You can, loosen your top, put any kind of insulation you want all down through here, and that should get rid of squeaking, as far as from the top. Now you want to make sure that any framework is not loose. Also, mirrors, windshield, basically anything. Make sure there's nothing obviously loose that could cause a squeaking sound. But a lot of the club cars come with insulation. You see it just under the top right there. So if yours doesn't have that, that's something you can do that's pretty easy. I'll put a link down below where you can get the what's called D tape. It's in the shape of a D with a little bit of adhesive on the bottom of it. It's usually in the refrigerator section of Home Depot and Lowe's and that sort of thing, but I'll put a link down below where you can get it because it has a lot of different uses. And if our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video screen and check out our videos. We got all kinds of cool stuff on our channel that you might like. Like, subscribe, follow, look for social media links in the description. You'll have a great day. We'll see you.